How to fix Snapchat vlogging problem. Stick to the end of this video and I'll share with you amazing Snapchat tricks you just need to know. So the first step is to check if you are on the latest version of Snapchat. So we open the store. Here if you see upgrade instead of open, tap on it and it will upgrade. If that didn't help, restart your device and check again. If this didn't help, tap on Snapchat icon and hold. Click the info button. If you're iOS user, you just need to go to settings and in the search bar type Snapchat and navigate from there. And here you tap on storage and cache and clear storage. You click OK, then restart your phone again and try again. If this didn't help, you must go to the Snapchat support page and see the answer there. I will put the link in the description.